Biology, the subject that teaches life itself. Right now, on grade 12, we are tackling the lessons in biology too. These ranges from the organ system to the mammalian respiratory and cardiovascular system, and even up to the medical conditions associated with it. Now, if you were to ask me what topic intrigued me the most, I would probably say the avian respiratory system. Why? First of all, it is the most efficient respiratory system in the entire animal kingdom. Its design and function is to exchange gas as efficiently as possible. This respiratory system is what birds use in order to sustain the massive amounts of oxygen they needed in order to take flight. Flight, something that we humans could only dream of. Yes, we tried to imitate it with technology and innovations, but it could never be exactly the same. Even if you give a human being a pair of wings, no matter how hard it tries to breathe in and breathe out, he could never take flight with it. That is what makes this topic very intriguing for me, because not only did it show me the complex and unique breathing system of birds, it also made me realize that we humans have our own limitations. We are not at the top of the food chain. If anything, we're just passengers in this great, vast world. And because of this, we needed to survive. We needed to be able to protect ourselves and our own bodies. But how? These past sessions and lessons have taught me how to be more aware and self-conscious of my own body and my own health, and the ways to take better good care of it. Specific lessons like the organ system and the medical conditions of the cardiovascular system has made me more aware of my own body. It made me realize that our bodies and our anatomies is very fragile. Even if just a fraction of it were to fail or stop completely, the entire system could collapse. That is why we need to take good care of our bodies. We need to have the ability to protect ourselves. So, how? I will now give you 3 suggestions. Let's say 3 steps. And step 1 is to think healthy. Everything starts from within. We need to think healthy in order to be more aware of our own bodies. We can't know if there is a problem if we don't know the current situation of our own health. So that is the first step. Think healthy. Next is be healthy. Once we properly identify and analyze ourselves, we need to be able to practice healthy living. And that includes eating healthy foods, regular exercise, being more aware of our surroundings and our environment, being more conscious of whatever substances we intake into our bodies to ensure our safety and our survivability. So we have think healthy, be healthy, and finally, keep being healthy. We can't just be healthy for a certain period of time. We can't just quit halfway through. We need to do it consistently all throughout. We need to be persistent. We need to do it routinely. This is to ensure that our bodies will not revert back to its previous state, or everything that we have done would have all been for nothing. So those are just suggestions. Those are just my personal opinions. But of course, there's a lot out there, and in the end, it will all depend on you, on your decision. And the only question is, are you up for the challenge? Now, to sum it all up, biology has been both very challenging but yet very satisfying all at the same time. Being able to acquire new knowledge and at the same time fortifying and adding to my previously owned knowledge, gives me as a student a sense of accomplishment. And that is what Bio 2 has given us. Not only did it taught us new ideas, concepts, and facts, it also evolved, upgraded our previously learned topics. And if I were to sum up everything that I have learned in one word, it would be eye-opening. Why? Because biology has made me realize that life is more than meets the eye. Every tiny detail, down to the most intricate, most complex of parts, has meaning. It has significance. It is important. Nothing is left behind. It is truly a sight to behold. That is what I have learned. And I believe that that is what life truly means.